it's flammable as hell. Watch this.
What's this? Fatwood for making fires. Fatwood? Yeah. Oh, wow. So this is Christmas. Is it soaked in chemical, or that's just it? God's chemicals.
But when a pine, and I think spruce also, get a disease or an infestation or something in the limbs, they secrete a stuff that goes back and tries to seal it off like a Band-Aid to keep it from infecting the rest of the tree. Of terpene, I think. And that's what this is. And it's flammable as hell. Watch this. That's why they use them for fire starters. You buy them in the store, you can buy them in sticks and for fire starters, but you also can use them for like survival. I will never be without fire because I have a ferro rod with a fatwood handle I made and put on it. So what I'm going to do with this, I can do with this handle, but I don't just because I don't want to wear it out. Check this out. We might have to get out of the wind. I said we might have to get out of the wind. I am going to get some powder of this. And it'll burn fairly slow and long. I don't know if I can get this. It'll give a real black smoke. Smell the turpentine smell like.
Oh wow, yeah.
This was a knuckle into the tree sticking out. And you can see the kind of, they say it's amber color. That's the fatwood. Down in here is where the best is. I'm chipping off the caca wood, the wood that's just wood.
The knife is massive.
I forged this. It's badass, isn't it?
What like style of knife is that? Did you?
It's called a bolo.
Bolo?
Bolo knife.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of a heavy, shorter machete.
Wow, it's so awesome.
I made that out of a truck leaf spring I picked up along the highway. It broke off a truck.
This is called fatwood. I know, hilarious name. Oh, it smells. My uncle was explaining it to me. My same uncle that made my knife, a hand-forged custom knife video. Check that out if it's up yet. So yeah, look how quickly it lights. Wow. That is really nice. Underneath everything else, and it will get it going. That's not too deep in there. That's so good. It smells good. Wait. The drinking one.